I am the leader of the towel animals. Let me introduce you to some of my crew aboard the Carnival Jubilee.
Absolutely. Where can we meet them?
I will send them to your stateroom every night.
Okay. Seems kind of creepy, but sure. What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure. The cabin steward was pretty creative, and it really depends on the talent of the crew of which animals you get. Here is Leonard, the long-necked dinosaur. We didn't name this little guy because, well, we didn't know what it is. If you know, leave a comment below. This is Charlie the crab. That brings us to Sadie, the sexy bunny. Sadie brought a friend. Here's Sally the shy bunny. This is Edward the elephant. He is the son of the leader of the towel animals. Next we have Bailey the bear. Bailey had a rough day and just sat and stared at us. Here we see Tammy the turtle. Tammy at the moment was drying off after a swim in the ocean. Bart the bullfrog greeted us one night after our visit to the MDR. Thank goodness we didn't have frog legs for dinner. Here Bart requested to be taken out in the sun. Well, you're going to have to wait until tomorrow, Bart. Now we see Dom the dog. He was a dirty dog. We think he spent several hours at the gym. We spotted Penelope the pig in the hallway. She's a big fan of Thing 1 and Thing 2. The night before debarkation, you normally get a heart or a flower thanking us for a wonderful week. Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.